Client types are a powerful way to organize your client database to make it easier to filter, group, and target specific sets of clients. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log in to your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Client types can also be used to assign discounts or surcharges to a group or individual clients, such as a regular or ad hoc client. Let's begin by creating your client types. From your dashboard, go to the Admin tab, then select Services, and click Client Types. Click Add New to set up a new client type. Enter a name such as Regular or Ad Hoc. Click Create Client Type to add the client type to your list. You can edit or delete client types at any time as your pricing or grouping needs evolve. Now let's assign a client type to a client account. Head to the Clients tab and choose the client you'd like to update. On their profile, select Client Admin, then Settings from the left-hand menu. Choose the appropriate client type from the drop-down, then click Update at the top of the screen to save your changes. Top tip! If you want to automate your pricing by setting up price and staff pay rules, this client can now be linked to a pricing rule based on the client type you selected, automating your billing process and reducing admin time. Check out our videos linked in the box below. You can also filter your full client list by client type. Just click on the Client Type column filter and choose a type to view only clients in that category. This is especially useful for reviewing grouped clients or sending targeted communications. Nice one! You've successfully created and assigned client types in PetSitter Plus, making your pricing more accurate and your client list easier to manage. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our learning zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.